Hello students, how are you all? I hope you must be fine. So this is your SST teacher and today this is your video number 2 and chapter number 9, agriculture and minerals. And today's topic will be that we will be discussing today, that will be your types of crop. In previous video we were discussing about agriculture, what is agriculture, and also the difference between kharif and rabi crops. So now today we'll be discussing on types of crops, what are they. So there are two types of crop, that are your food crops and the second one is your cash crop. Okay, so first of all let us know what is crops. Crops, here you can see the picture over here. I have shown here, presented here, what are food crops. So before food crops, what are crops? Crops are plants. They are the plants which are grown by the farmers. Okay, this is your farmer. He is our farmer friend. You can see here. This is the farmland and he is our farmer friend. Okay, so here crops are grown by the farmers. The cultivation of crops is done by farmers. So here agriculture plays a very important role in Indian economy also. As I have told you that 3/5 of India's population is dependent on agriculture. 3/5 of India's population is dependent on agriculture. So what we can say, 70% of population is dependent on agriculture in our country. Okay, so here what happens, first let us know that what are food crops. As I have told you, there are two types of crops. First is your food crop and second is your cash crop. So first is food crop. Here the crops that are grown. Here what are food crops? The crops that are grown to feed the people. Feed means they are used to eat it in every day. Every day they are eating. The crops that are grown to feed the people in the country are known as food crops. These crops are provided to the people for the everyday basis. Okay, so they are said to be what? Food crops. They are used as food, everyday food. Okay, the crops that are grown to feed the people in the country is known as food crops. For example, we can see here rice is there, wheat is there, millets is there, pulses. These things you all are eating in everyday basis. Okay, so first let us know about the food crops one by one, all the crops detail. Let us know about first one is your rice. So rice you are consuming every day. Every day we are eating the rice, isn't it? You can see here the rice crop. Like this it looks like. The rice crop looks like this one. Okay, from the here only, when the plant is grown and grown up, then here the rice grains are just taken out from by the farmers and then just they sell in the market. Okay, now this here again it comes important. This rice, it is an important food crop which is circulated in our country. Okay, it grows well in hot and humid climate and they also need plenty rainfall. In whichever area this rice crop is growing, they receive plenty rainfall and also they need hot and humid climate too. Okay, so here next is the rice. This rice crop is grown in which all states? So first is your West Bengal. In West Bengal, I have told you earlier classes also, in West Bengal the production of rice is major in number. Okay, next is your Bihar, Assam, Uttar Pradesh. So these are your some of the states which are rice, in which rice have been produced. This crop, rice crop, is cultivated. Okay, now moving on to our next food crop, that is wheat. Okay, now wheat is also a kind of a staple food. This is also a very important food. We are using it in every day. People are being feed on this wheat. You can see the grains of the wheat like this. In Hindi you say that atta. Okay, you eat wheat as a roti, paratha, and many more things. Wheat is used. Okay, so wheat, it also needs cool climate. It is cool dry climate. Okay, and this wheat production of wheat is major in number in some of the states such as Punjab Haryana has a major wheat producing. Okay, and then it comes UP, Madhya Pradesh also is there. Okay, then next is your millets is another food crop which is coming. It also, in this millet, this you can see the picture of millets. This is the picture of millets. The crops is like this. When it is grown, it is look like this, and then one by one the grains are collected, and like this it is been done. So yes, it includes, in millets it includes such as bajra, jowar, ragi. They are the grain materials. Okay, grain materials. These millets are also used in food grains, everyday food. People are feeding it. Now these are grown in some of the areas such as Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Okay, so now pulses is also there. Pulses I have not mentioned here. Pulses, every day you are eating so much of vitamin, you are getting in the vitamin, proteins, everything is present in pulses. Okay, pulses of arhar dal, moong dal, varieties of dals are there. So that is also coming in food crops. Next is your cash crops. Okay, now we have completed about food crops. Food crops are those which are grown to feed the people of our country. Okay, now next type of crop is your cash crop. Now these type of crops, it has been cultivated. It is cultivated to be sold in the market to earn profit from the sale. These type of crops, they are sold in the market. Okay, cash crops are sold in the market to earn profit. The farmers earn money, okay, by selling these crops. Okay, cash crops are crops grown to be sold in the market. They help farmers to earn money. With the help of it, farmers earn money. Okay, they can just go like this only and start collecting the money. Means they can just sell their crop. Okay, they need no permission. Now in this, some of the crops which are grown in cash crops are sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea, coffee, spices. So these are your some of the cash crops. Now from the word only cash, money. So cash, when in the name only it is coming money, then you can understand what kind of crop it is. These crops are grown to be sold in the market. Okay, and the farmers earn money from it. So let's know about each one of the crops which are grown in different areas. First is your sugarcane. You know what is sugarcane? So this sugarcane, it is used for making sugar and jaggery. Jaggery means good. In Hindi it is called good, jaggery. Okay, so sugarcane is basically used for making these things, sugar and jaggery. Now India is the largest producer of sugarcane. In India, the production of sugarcane crop is largest in number. In India it is. Next, sugarcane requires fertile soil. The soil here, the fertility of soil in the soil, quality of soil is very fertile. The climate is very hot and moist, hot moisture present in the climate, and also have plenty of water. Sugarcane also needs plenty of water. Now they are grown in some of the states. They are grown in some of the states such as Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Yes. So the sugarcane is over. Next we come to our second crop, food cash crop, that is your jute. Now these jute, you can see the picture of jute. like this long strings type of it is, and they are very, you can say, uh, binding material. They are a kind of a binding material and a strong material. Okay, they are used for making bags, ropes, carpets, knitting the carpets which is just flowed in your drawing room and in any of your room, that is made up of jutes. They are very strong material. Bags, some of the bags also, bags are made up of jutes. They are very costly. Then ropes, rassi you say, then that is also made up of jute. Okay, now here in jute crop also, they requires plenty of water and hot climate. They receive plenty of water and hot climate. Now this jute growing crop, they are grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. These are some of the states where jute is grown. That is West Bengal, Bihar, Assam. So next crop, next our cash crop is here spices. Many are there. Spices are there, oil seeds are there, then cotton is there, then tea, coffee, many are there. Okay, so spices, they add flavor in the food. Here is the picture of spices. Okay, you can see cinnamon is there, cardamom is there, pepper, chilies, turmeric also it is there. It is not yes, turmeric is just present there in yellow color over there. Cloves is there. Okay, these are some of the spices and they are very costly in the market. In market price you can go there and just buy it. They are very costly. Very little amount only if you want to buy, then it becomes very costlier as they add flavor in the food. Okay, now here what happens, they are grown in Kerala. In some of the states they are grown, that is Kerala and Karnataka. They are the major places. Kerala and Karnataka, they are the major places which are grown in these areas, spices. So yes, and tea is also grown, coffee is also as a cash crop, then oil seeds, cotton is also there. Cotton is used as black, and cotton is also used as cash crops. So yes, some of these are cash crops are there, and we also discussed about food crops. So this we have completed about types of crops. So next video will be about mineral resources. Okay, types of minerals, what are minerals, it will be it will be in that, the video will be posted on that, on mineral resources. Till now please go through the video and just you can make the notes of it also. They are very important. I have made in a short so that it is easy for you to just understand. So yes, okay, just go through the video and just understand it. Okay class, thank you. Very okay, so yes.